each lakh, more than 10 lakh aspirants add into the pool of competitive exams. And if you ask any one of them that why do you want this government job, the answers would be like, I want to serve my country, of course I want to be the part of this prestigious organization. But at the end, everybody knows one lie which they all are hiding. Okay, that they lie to everyone, but that is the most important thing, which is the motivation factor as well as the drive for which they are always trying for that government exam. And that's, of course, it's paisa, it's money. Everybody is after money, and that's why we are today going to discuss salary slip of Nabard. And that also, yes, you are right, salary slip of a Nabard Grade A officer who has just joined in the month of July. Okay, so we are going to see today overall salary slips. We are also going to see different allowances, okay, then deductions. Based on that, we will try to find out what is our gross salary and then also our net salary which comes in our hand. Okay, so this is going to be a very interesting session, and at the same time I know that this particular session you all are going to love it because everybody loves money, right? तो पैसे के पीछे सब पागल है, so that's why I think this particular salary slip session is going to give your preparation as well as your whatever late nights you are going through in your Nabard preparation and you don't have motivation. I think this salary slip definitely will make your day better. Let's continue with our salary slip. So this is your Nabard's salary slip. Of course, you can see all the details which have been given here, but here I have made sections for you. So the first part of your salary, that is your base salary in the sense, this is from which is the basic level of monetary digits which you will get in your bank account. So this is your basic pay, 44,500 rupees. This is your basic pay, okay? When you will join as Nabard Grade B officer, this is the amount which you are getting at the first, the base salary, the base pay. The next thing, now we will start with a series of allowances. Allowances in the sense, along with the base salary, you would be given some allowances. First allowance is dearness allowance. What is this dearness allowance? As we all know, day by day, the inflation goes on increasing. So this inflation, of course, is adjusted by your dearness allowance. Okay? So, महंगाई भत्ता जो हम हिंदी में कहते हैं, this is our dearness allowance. Then let's go to LCA, that is CCA. This is nothing but your leave cash allowance or city compulsory allowance. What is this city compulsory allowance? It's nothing but, again, it is a form of traveling allowance or leaving allowance which you are provided along with your dearness allowance. Okay, so this you can just consider as traveling. So simple, you could look at 44,500 plus 24,866 plus this 2,225 rupees. Next, moving to grade allowance. Again, grade allowance is nothing but as your grade or position is there, depending on that you get a certain allowance. Then comes your special allowance. It's a special monetary extra added of rupees 8,250 rupees. Then next, moving to LCA, again a leave cash allowance, but now this is special cash allowance. This special cash allowance again is related to your leave location, okay, leavability, all this context. Okay, then moving towards your leave cash allowance, and this is fixed allowance. This is a fixed amount of remuneration in form of allowance which you are getting along with your other allowances. This is 1,780 rupees. Then we talk towards other perks you get, that is special perk allowance. So in private jobs also you get different perks, right? So you may also call those Sodexo coupons or anything. Similarly, here you get perk allowance of rupees 9,259 rupees. Then we move towards your SPA cess. Okay, so cess also extra you get 370 rupees. So this is also added as your cess. Then is your learning allowance. It will include all your books, all your learning sources, and for that you get 600 rupees, right? Now let's move forward. Here you will understand that if you add all your base salary and base payment along with all your allowances from your dearness allowance, then LCA, then grade allowance, then special allowance, then SCA, then FA, every allowance when you will add, you will get gross earning of 98,600 rupees. Now you will say that, sir, but in the video we saw that 1 lakh plus salary is there. Yes, it is there, friends. Just wait. When you look at it, gross earning is 98,600 rupees. So here, this is your gross salary. Now, as we all know, along with the salary, there comes the deductions. Kuch aega to kuch jayega. Let's see our deductions. In total, deductions are 12,870 rupees. Medical premium is 300 rupees. Launch subscription is 400. Okay, income tax E is again a subtraction which is 11,291 rupees. Professional tax of 300. House rent recovery 279 rupees. Now, this house rent is different for different states. Association subscription 400 rupees. These are all your deductions in total from your gross salary. These are eliminated, which are 12,870 rupees. So therefore your net pay or salary is 85,730 rupees. Now you will say, sir, this has been reduced. Now what to do? But along with your net pay come your allowances. Okay, and these allowances are extra allowances apart from which come in your pay slip. Okay, these are your conveyance allowance, household help allowance, then comes newspaper bills, reimbursement of internet and data charges, and telephone charges also. Overall, if you add it, in total it is almost 30,000. So it is 29,570 rupees. And if you add your net pay or salary and your allowances of total 29,570 rupees, so if you add them both, that is 85,730 rupees and 29,570 rupees, you will get 1,15,400 rupees. And this is how now Nabard's salary is also very close to the other premium as well as established organizations. 1,15,400 rupees salary, it makes you that your monthly salary becomes 1+ lakh. So I think this, just the number, look at this digit. I think this is more importantly giving you the boost, as well as this digit is going to be the reason for your preparation, for your motivation. So this was all about our salary slip discussion. Okay, I hope you understood that how the gross salary is there. Okay, then the base pay is there, then the gross salary is there, deductions, then net salary, and then allowances. When you add, here we go, we get the salary which is above 1 lakh. In short, aap ban gaye lakpati. So it's nothing but you start preparing for Nabard and just get that one seat and make your name in that final list, and this is the shortest way to become a lakpati. So best of luck for your preparation. Thank you.